Can the duration of Viagra's effect be affected by alcohol or food consumption?
In this video, we will explore whether the duration of Viagra's effect can be affected by alcohol or food consumption. Keep in mind that this information is for educational purposes only and should not replace professional medical advice.
What is Viagra?
Viagra, also known by its generic name sildenafil, is a medication primarily used to treat erectile dysfunction, ED. It works by increasing blood flow to the penis, helping men achieve and maintain an erection.
How long does Viagra last?
The duration of Viagra's effect can vary depending on several factors, including the individual's age, metabolism, and overall health. On average, Viagra starts working within 30 minutes to an hour after taking it and can last for up to 4 to 5 hours.
Can alcohol affect Viagra's duration?
Yes, consuming alcohol can impact the effectiveness and duration of Viagra's effect. Alcohol is a depressant that can reduce blood flow to the penis, which might counteract the benefits of Viagra. Additionally, heavy alcohol consumption can lead to temporary ED, making it difficult to achieve and maintain an erection even with Viagra. It is advisable to limit alcohol intake when using Viagra to ensure optimal effectiveness.
Can food consumption affect Viagra's duration?
Yes, certain types of food can affect the duration of Viagra's effect. Specifically, consuming a high-fat meal before taking Viagra can delay the absorption of the medication, causing it to take longer to start working. It is recommended to take Viagra on an empty stomach or after a light, low-fat meal for the best results.
How can you maximize the effectiveness of Viagra?
To maximize the effectiveness and duration of Viagra's effect, consider the following. 1. Take the medication as prescribed by your healthcare provider. 2. Avoid heavy alcohol consumption while using Viagra. 3. Consume a light, low-fat meal before taking the medication. 4. Allow sufficient time for the medication to take effect, typically 30 minutes to an hour. 5. Communicate with your partner to maintain a relaxed and comfortable atmosphere. In summary, the duration of Viagra's effect can be affected by both alcohol and food consumption. It is best to avoid heavy alcohol intake and consume a light, low-fat meal before taking Viagra to ensure optimal effectiveness. Always consult with your healthcare provider for personalized advice and guidance.